Assalamu alaikum friends. In this video you will learn how to see Fiverr account in impressions. So let's begin the video. The process is very simple. Make sure that you are connected with your internet. So first of all you will go to your Fiverr gig mobile application. So here is the simple process of checking the impression. You will simply scroll down and here are the my gigs statistics and impressions. So they are 75. If it gets upper, then the sign of arrow will be green. So this is the simple process of checking the impressions of the Fiverr account. Overall, in these are the overall gigs impressions. So if you like the video, please subscribe our channel for more informative videos. Thank you.